Somebody mention birds? Thaibirdspot. So welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we've only got a very short little video of a couple of birds, and also I do need to apologise first about the shakiness of the video. I saw this Crested Serpent Eagle and just had to jump out of the car and video it handheld. So this is a Crested Serpent Eagle. And he looks pretty relaxed here. The Crested Serpent Eagle is one of the more common raptors found here in Thailand, but nonetheless, still a beauty. So, as it's just such a short little video, I won't waste time yakking, I'll just let you enjoy. But don't forget, if you want to see the bird, look up and learn the sound. Anyway, that evening, another great little bird that we managed to get a little bit of video of is this large-tailed nightjar. Again, apologise for the lighting, it was pretty dark. Anyway, that's it for now, just another little quick video as I say, so thanks for watching, please do comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.